Okay guys, may lalaroin kami ngayon. It's called We Listen and We Don't Judge. Pero pero baliktad lang. Ha, baliktad. Makasabot yung mga nag-escape po explain o yahay po mo sabta na lang good pastilan go. Ikay una.
Una?
Okay. We listen and we don't judge. Do you remember nga katong naibog ka og bata? For 3 months? Okay, we listen and we don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. Go.
We listen and we don't judge. Itong manjuk kag ilok.
Okay, we listen and we don't judge. Asa man bibil? Okay. We listen and we don't judge. Do you remember kanang katong napatabang ka nako? Kakahinam to katong 888 nga pampahid and then napatabang ka og pahid sa imong kigol. Okay, we listen. Oh, we listen, we don't judge. Ayog.
We listen and we don't judge.
Ikaw.
Kahinomdom ka katong gihubagan kag ilok.
Ikaw? Okay, we listen and we don't judge. There was a time, guys, na maybe grade 6 pa mangguro siya. And then, suddenly, ikanang ko, exam to, unya kan bang matagtiki sa lubog. Sama, Jel! And then, ibutog, ipaulay siya sa may sakay, gidugo daw. Okay, we listen and we don't judge kasi.
We listen and we don't judge. Do you remember nga mag-commute rami every time? Mami ka commute.
Okay, we listen and we don't judge. Do you remember na katong sige kag guys? Do you ay na lang guys, we listen and we don't judge. Kana bang mamauli mi sa skilan and then mamasahim jud mi. And then nahadlok siya nga mo sulti ay kanang namasahim ni pauli na mi papauli na mo ni sakay mi.
Sira na dong ayun ang kanang unod.
Niingon mi nga diri lang nanagan mi kalit gibita di akong kamot kay ngano iyang gigasto ang pamasahe without telling me. Gigo ko sa driver pero you know we're hustlers.
We listen and we don't judge. Kanang nakamatamig sa'yo while dreaming.
Ew. We listen and we don't judge. Ambot oy wa na nila mi.